Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to set up Quicken Simplifi. So let's get started. First, download the Quicken Simplifi app or visit the website and sign in. If you're a new user, create an account using your email address and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're logged in, connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts. Simplifi will securely sync your transactions and display them in one dashboard. Next, review your account information, set up your monthly spending plan, and create budget categories based on your expenses. You can also add recurring bills and income to help track your cash flow more accurately. Finally, check that everything is set up correctly and you're ready to start managing your finances with Quicken Simplifi. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.